guys? It's Daryl from Smart Shooters, and today we're gonna do another Smart Shooters review. We are reviewing the Walther PDP. A lot of hype around this gun, released in February of 2021. We're gonna dive into it. Now, I gotta be honest and upfront. I have never been a Walther guy, okay? I am not a fan of the PD anything, the PP anything. I don't care for any of them, all right? And that's just a personal bias. They just didn't look like they were built very good to me. But I was told that this gun is gonna change my mind. I was able to pick one up at my local gun shop, Al & Bob, so shout out to them, especially because I was able to get it at a reasonable price. So today we're gonna deep dive into it. We're gonna see what it's about. Is it worth the hype? Is it not worth the hype? I'm gonna unbox it. We're gonna shoot it. Of course we're gonna shoot it, right? We're smart shooters. And then we're gonna review it. I really do think, just at a quick glance, my mental space, that you definitely should get one. I'm already starting to see the price gouging going up on these in the market. Seems like any gun that gets a little bit of hype around it, that people want to mark it up. Gun stores want to mark it up. And I just think that you guys should be ahead of the curve. So if you see a Walther PDP, you definitely should go ahead and pick one up. Today I'm going to be reviewing the compact. They do also have a full size with a 4-inch and a 4.5-inch barrel. That being said, let's get to work. Now the first thing I want to highlight is this beautiful case. All right, the case, they decked out with some accents that are actually on the gun. I think that's a great idea. That is beautiful. When we go ahead and open it up, there's the beautiful scenario we're walking into. So, comes with some extra back straps. Comes with an extra magazine. Looking at 15+1 for capacity. Comes with a magazine load assist. Comes with some tools for the optic plate. This gun is optics ready, which is why I am a big fan of it. And then the flag they were using at the shop. And then of course the lock. So the PDP, man, let's check it out. It does have a full color manual in here. Just want to add that manuals are important to me, especially with so many new gun owners out there. So shout out to Walther for that. The first thing I noticed with this gun is the texture. All right, I'm gonna do a some close-up pictures so you can see it, but it's almost like a pyramid that's inside of a hexagon. Super nice. It feels wonderful in the hand. Up first, before we keep going, let me make sure that I clear this firearm, because I know how you guys like to be in the comments. All right, firearm is clear. So the grip is really easy to hold on to. I love that. It's easy to establish a firm grip. Again, it is optics ready. It's got these super, I think they call them super terrain serrations on the slide. I do like those. It does make it nice. Rather use the front slide or you just want to press check, it does make it nice. Like, these cuts on this slide are beautiful. I think it makes the gun look great. Again, I love the grip. One of the super cool things about it is if you look down here at the end of the handle, you can kind of see how it flares out. Well, that is to apply pinky pressure, because as you know, with shooting red dots, sometimes you got to overcompensate and pull that gun down in order to catch that red dot again after a shot. So they added this, so you add that pinky pressure to kind of help you catch that red dot a little faster when you go back up on target for follow-up shots. I think that's super sweet. That was a brilliant idea. I'm in love with the design so far. I definitely am in love with the design. Let's talk about this trigger. Now, excuse the wind that decided to pick up as soon as I started recording. But this trigger, let's check it out. All right. So then we're going to, it's got a nice firm wall. And then we nice and crisp. That reset is super fast. Ready? Reset. Yeah. Now, I did get a lot of flack because initially I talked about how I was not a fan of the trigger. All right. I do still feel like this trigger pull is a long trigger pull. All right. This is a safe direction. Again, I know the safety police are in the comments. This is a safe direction for me. So it still is. I still think this is a long trigger pull. All right. Let's see. There's that wall. I still feel like that's a lot of take up, but I was told once I actually shoot it, it's not gonna feel that way. So we're gonna find out firsthand today. All right, some other things I wanna highlight on this gun is it's got the long slide release, all right? I have this on my Canik TP9 Elite SC. I love this, so simply just slide these down, good to go. Now, I was told it's possible, especially for us bigger hand folks, that as we're establishing our grip and we're shooting, it's possible that we would ride on that slide release and not be able to, or that we would ride on that slide release because our hands are so big and it would stop the gun from locking back when it was empty. But I'm about to shoot it and find out. I can highlight some more of the beautiful features of this gun in a little while. Let's see it shoot. So here's the ammo we're gonna feed through it. As you can see, I'm still getting 9mm ammo for reasonable prices. I definitely hope you guys are too. It's definitely getting harder out here, but keep hunting and it'll happen. While we're loading up, I want to let you guys know that Smart Shooters is launching an online store. That's right, you heard it right. We're launching an online store. My dream is to build a gun range, indoor and outdoor, with a full functioning gun store in it. I'm probably about 25% to my goal as far as my business planning and securing the land and securing funding and the whole master plan. But until then, we are launching an online store. Some of the items are already up. We do have ammo. I can admit it is expensive. I can only do what a supplier can do for me. We have Trijicon RMRs, got some Hollow Sun optics, gonna have a bunch of Glock mags, ETS mags, you name it, some SIG products, some flashlights, some lasers. It's gonna be sweet. So it's always that last one. There we go. All right, to learn more about our online store, visit www.smart-shooters.com. Once on the home page, just click the store tab, check out what we got.